Once upon a time, in the lush savannas of Africa, there lived a sleepy lion named Leon. Leon was unlike other lions. Instead of spending his days prowling the grasslands, he preferred curling up under the shade of the stately baobab tree and dreaming away. But Leon's dreams were extraordinary. In the world of his imagination, he soared high above the plains, flying alongside flocks of birds and dipping beneath cottony clouds. Each night, as he lay down to rest, the vision of flight filled his mind with wonder. One crisp evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon painting the sky in shades of orange and purple, Leon met an old tortoise named Tilly. Tilly had made her home near the baobab, and she was known among the animals for her wisdom and understanding of the mysteries of life. "Why do you always smile in your sleep?" asked Tilly, as she munched on some leafy greens. "I dream of flying," Leon replied, peering up at the stars. "In my dreams, I can join the birds in their dance through the sky." "But you are a lion," Tilly chuckled, "and lions are meant to walk the earth, not fly above it." Leon sighed, "Yes, but wouldn't it be wonderful?" Seeing the longing in Leon's eyes, Tilly decided to try and help him, even if it meant thinking outside the shell. "Perhaps there is a way," she mused. "Why not ask the stork for help? He is the wisest bird and knows much about the skies." The idea struck Leon with promise, and the next day he sought out the stork, a bird renowned for his long and graceful flights across continents. Perched above on a tall acacia, the stork greeted Leon with curiosity. "You wish to fly, young lion?" the stork queried, tilting his head. "More than anything," Leon admitted. The stork pondered for a moment, then offered, "Flying is not about wings alone, it is the spirit that lifts creatures into the sky. Why not create a feast, where all animals can gather and share in your dream? Sometimes, a dream shared is a dream realized." Inspired, Leon organized a grand celebration at the savannah's heart. He invited elephants, giraffes, zebras, and all who called the plains their home. As the animals gathered around, Leon shared his dream with them, explaining how wonderful it would be to fly. While the feast was hearty and laughter bubbled under the twinkling stars, Leon found his true wings, the connections he made with friends and the shared joy of dreams. The stork's advice proved correct. In sharing his flights of fancy, Leon felt lighter and somehow more grounded. Although he never soared physically, Leon learned that flying is metaphorical, and the spirit enriched by friendship and dreams can lift anyone high. As Leon settled beneath his baobab for another round of dreams, he knew that in sharing his aspirations, he had experienced flight of a different kind.